Have you ever wondered what makes you, well, you? This incredible machine we live in, called the human body, is more complex than any supercomputer, more adaptive than any robot, and more mysterious than the cosmos itself. Today, we'll go on a journey, from the miracle of birth to the pumping of your heart, from your first breath to the silent work of your organs, and uncover the jaw-dropping science behind what makes us alive. It all starts with a single cell. Two microscopic pieces of life, sperm and egg, combine. From this union, a zygote forms, which multiplies rapidly to create a tiny embryo. By week 4, a heartbeat. By week 8, major organs begin forming. By week 20, a fetus can hear. And after 9 months, about 38 weeks, a fully grown baby is born into the world, carrying 100 billion neurons in its brain and over 300 bones. Some will fuse as we grow. Every human began here. A unique genetic code, a blueprint. 23 chromosomes from each parent, deciding everything from eye color to potential diseases. From birth to adulthood, our bodies are in constant transformation. Bones harden, muscles strengthen. The brain, still forming, starts making millions of new connections every second in early childhood. By the time we hit puberty, a storm of hormones changes everything. Height, voice, body hair, reproductive systems. Our body is preparing us for the next generation. Now let's talk about your lungs, the gateway to life. We breathe in 22,000 times a day. Air enters through the nose or mouth, travels down the trachea, and enters the lungs, where tiny air sacs called alveoli exchange oxygen for carbon dioxide. Here's the science. Oxygen passes into the blood. Hemoglobin in red blood cells grabs it and delivers it across your body. Every cell in your body needs oxygen to create energy. Without it, life would stop within minutes. Now, let's eat. Your food doesn't just vanish. It undergoes an incredible journey. It begins in your mouth. Saliva breaks down carbohydrates. It slides down the esophagus and lands in your stomach. A muscular bag of acid and enzymes. Proteins are broken. Fats are emulsified. Then, the real magic happens in the small intestine, where nutrients are absorbed into your bloodstream. Everything your body needs, vitamins, glucose, amino acids, is taken in. The leftovers? They go to the large intestine and out of the body. Efficient, powerful. Your heart is the hero of your body. Beating over 100,000 times a day, it pumps blood through 60,000 miles of blood vessels. Blood carries oxygen from the lungs, nutrients from digestion, hormones from glands, waste to the kidneys. There are 2 circuits. The pulmonary circuit, heart to lungs and back. The systemic circuit, heart to the rest of the body. It's a closed-loop system, highly efficient, and in just 1 minute, your blood completes 1 full circuit of the body. How do we get energy? At the cellular level, tiny powerhouses called mitochondria convert glucose and oxygen into ATP, our body's energy currency. This process is called cellular respiration. Glucose plus oxygen equals carbon dioxide plus water plus energy, ATP. It's silent, continuous, and happening in every one of your 37 trillion cells. The human body is like a city with departments. The brain is the control center. It manages thought, memory, emotion, and movement. The heart pumps life. The lungs are the gas exchange experts. The liver detoxifies, creates bile, and stores energy. The kidneys filter 50 gallons of blood daily. The stomach and intestines are digestion central. The skin is the largest organ, acting as a protective shield. Each system, nervous, circulatory, respiratory, digestive, endocrine, works like gears in a giant machine. So what makes a man different from a woman, biologically? Men generally have higher muscle mass and bone density. Women tend to have more fat distribution for reproduction. Chromosomes, males are XY, females XX. Hormones, testosterone versus estrogen and progesterone. Reproductive systems differ. Ovaries and uterus in females, testes in males, but at the core, we are 99.9% genetically identical. You produce 25 million new cells every second. Your bones are stronger than steel by weight. Nerve impulses travel at 120 meters per second. The liver can regenerate. Your heart creates enough pressure to squirt blood 30 feet. If uncoiled, DNA in your body would stretch to Pluto and back, several times. Is it the beating heart, the conscious brain, the breath? It's the combination. Life is energy, consciousness, rhythm, and balance. We are self-healing, thinking, evolving machines, made of cells, yet filled with curiosity and purpose. You are a miracle of nature, a walking universe. Inside you are galaxies of cells, rivers of blood, storms of thoughts. The human body is not just amazing, it's magical. So the next time you breathe, blink, or take a step, remember the science.